Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can dispute on Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, search for Chase Bank, go over to its official website and make sure you're logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the main homepage of the website. Why dispute a transaction? When there are charge errors, you can dispute a specific transaction to get a refund. To do it, simply follow the steps. After signing in, find and select the transaction you are concerned about and review the transaction details and click on the dispute transaction to start the process. After a few questions, review your responses and click submit dispute. Track your dispute in account menu under account services. The dispute tracker will show up, open and close disputed as well as the status. That's how you can do a dispute on Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.